Nike SB is preparing for a strong showing in fall 2025 with several Dunk Low releases, including the newly surfaced Nike SB Dunk Low Burgundy Crush. Recently revealed by Grailed 804, this colorway boasts a premium mix of seasonal tones, led by a rich dark team red suede upper that immediately sets the autumn vibe. Deep Burgundy Crush laces elevate the tonal depth, while Olive Flak suede on the mid-panels offers a complementary contrast without deviating from the fall-inspired palette. A Parachute Beige midsole softens the look and adds warmth, perfectly balanced by a sturdy Armory Navy rubber outsole that grounds the overall design. Official color details shared by SneakerMarketRO: dark team red, Burgundy Crush, Olive Flak, Parachute Beige, Armory Navy are now confirmed through these detailed in-hand images. Set to be part of Nike SB's general release lineup, the Burgundy Crush is poised to be a standout addition to the fall 2025 collection.